Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another amazing video. So today we are going to look at YouTube shadow ban. So you need to know if your channel is shadow banned. A lot of you don't know that. Okay, so when YouTube shadow bans your videos, your channel, it means that your channel will be suppressed. Your content will not be recommended to even your subscribers or to new people. You will not be found on the YouTube search results. Okay, there will be limited visibility on your content, and you will not be getting subscribers, of course. So you need to check if your channel is shadow banned by YouTube so that you can take precautionary measures immediately and resolve the issue. So in today's video, I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to show you step by step on how to go about recovering your channel and removing the shadow ban. So, but before YouTube shadow bans your channel, it means that you have violated multiple YouTube guidelines and policies. So, having said that, if yours ends up being shadow banned, you have to take precautionary measures like reviewing the YouTube guidelines and policies, contacting YouTube support, and then making sure that your all technical aspects of your video uploads are correct. All right, so let's dive into the other part of the video while I share my screen and show you how to check if your channel is shadow banned. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Google Chrome, YouTube shadow ban checker, and you select youtubelarge.com. So once you're here, you paste your channel's URL. However, before you come here, make sure you've copied your channel URL. So to do that, go to your YouTube dashboard. Come to your YouTube. You can come in through the YouTube studio or your YouTube homepage. The YouTube app on your phone. Click on the home tab and then click on view channel. So when you view your channel, you click on profile. Click on profile and then you go down and copy your channel's URL. Right? Shall we do that again? So this is my YouTube home tab. So click on customize channel. For those of you on desktop, click on customize channel and you're here on your profile. You go down and then you see your URL. So we'll go back to the page that we opened and paste your URL. It can also be a video URL, but we're doing for the entire channel. So you enter the code that it shows, then submit. So this is my channel. It shows you all the details you need to know regarding your channel, some things you do not even know about your channel. So this is my channel. It was created in April 19th, 2022, and location is in United Kingdom. That's my phone number, and the region. So why you need to do this is that some of your videos might be restricted in some countries. Okay, so in my case it says there is no restrictions. And these are the tags. The subscriber count 2.2k,
Thank you guys, by the way, for subscribing to my channel. I now have about 2.2k and I've had about 157,000 views. I even had more, but I deleted most of my videos. And everything you need to know. Basically, it shows me that my channel is not shadow banned. You would have seen it in the, it would have shown you that your channel is shadow banned. You'd have seen the restrictions and everything here. So according to this report, mine is not. So you need to check yours and know if your channel is shadow banned. You can also check for your videos. The videos that are doing poorly, you can check them, copy the link and enter using this YouTube shadow ban detector. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share and leave me a comment. Okay, make sure you check if your YouTube channel is shadow banned because it's really necessary. It's important that you know if your channel is shadow banned. It's important because of the restrictions. Check if your channel is shadow banned. Okay, I think in another video we can also do for monetization checker and all the rest of them. So there are a lot of things to learn in this my channel. A lot. Click on my other videos and watch to learn more. And also, guys, I beg you, subscribe to my channel and come back for more videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video as I sign out now. Bye.